Good day, everyone. Before anything else, allow me to introduce myself. I am your reporter, Miss Razel C. Calaga, and I am tasked to report about the Republic Act No. 8190 or the Localization Law. So what is this act all about? This is an act granting priority to the residents of the barangay, municipality, or city where the school is located in the appointment or assignment of classroom public school teachers. Section 1. In the appointment or assignment of teachers to public elementary or secondary schools, priority shall be given to the bona fide residents of the barangay, municipality, city, or province where the school is located, provided that the teacher possesses all the minimum qualifications for the position as required by law. Protests regarding the appointment or assignment of classroom public school teachers shall prescribe in 3 months upon the issuance of such appointments or assignment. Section 2. In the exercise of its disciplinary authority, the Secretary of Education, Culture and Sports shall impose the following administrative sanctions for its willful violation of this Act. First violation, suspension of 1 month without pay. Second violation, suspension of 2 months without pay. And third violation and subsequent violations hereof, suspension of 6 months without pay. Section 3. The Department of Education, Culture and Sports, or DECS, shall prescribe the rules and regulations necessary to implement this Act. The DECS shall provide the Senate and the House of Representatives a copy of rules and regulations within 90 days after approval of this Act. Section 4. All laws, decrees, executive orders, rules and regulations or parts thereof inconsistently with this Act are hereby repealed or modified accordingly. Section 5. This Act shall take effect 15 days after its complete publication in the Official Gazette or in at least 2 newspapers of general circulation. Now, let's proceed to the amendment of the implementing rules and regulations of RA number 8190 or the Act granting priority to residents of the barangay, municipality, or city where the school is located in the appointment or assignment of classroom public school teachers. Pursuant to Section 3 of Republic Act No. 8190, otherwise known as an Act granting priority to the residents of the barangay, municipality, or city where the school is located in the appointment of a classroom public school teachers, the following amended rules and regulations are hereby prescribed. Section 1. The definition of terms. As used herein, the following terms shall be understood to mean. Letter A. Teachers refers to a person who meets the minimum requirements for the position as required by the law and the standards set by the department, who does actual teaching in the classroom and other learning centers. B. Applicant refers to a person who holds a valid certificate of registration or professional license as teacher from the Professional Regulations Commission or PRC, seeking to be appointed to a Teacher 1 position. Qualified applicant refers to a person who meets the evaluation and selection criteria as prescribed by the Department of Education or DepEd and who is in the registry of the school's division and is a bona fide resident of the place. Secretary refers to the Department of Education Secretary. Regional Director refers to the Department of Education Regional Director. Protest refers to the administrative complaint filed by an aggrieved applicant or complainant regarding an appointment or assignment to a Teacher 1 made by an appointing or assigning authority or respondent. Appointment refers to the issuance of original appointment of teachers. Assignment refers to the posting of a teacher in a public school or other learning center. Registry refers to the official list of qualified applicants in the school's division. Bona fide resident refers to the qualified applicant who is prior to appointment resident for a period of at least 6 months of a particular barangay, municipality, city, or province where the school is located, as evidenced by the legal documents to be identified by the department. Section 2. Coverage. These rules and regulations shall apply to appointment or assignment of teachers in all public schools and other learning centers under the Department of Education. Section 3. Filing up of vacant positions. In the appointment or assignment of teachers to public schools and other learning centers with vacant teaching positions, priority shall be given to the bona fide residents of the barangay, municipality, city, or province where the school is located, and in no particular order. Provided that the teacher possesses all the qualifications for the position as required by the law and the DepEd orders. Provided further that among the bona fide residents of the barangay, municipality, or city, or the province where the school or learning center is located, the most qualified shall be given priority. Section 4. Recruitment and selection process. Upon approval of these rules and regulations, applicants who are interested in being appointed or assigned to public elementary or secondary schools and other learning centers located in a place where they are bona fide residents may send the written applications together with the necessary documents to the school head concerned, who shall verify and certify as the correctness and authenticity of the documents submitted, including the proof of place of residence. The school head in return shall forward the applications to the office of the school's division superintendent. The division office shall maintain a registry which shall be valid for a period of 1 school year. The superintendent shall appoint or assign a teacher. The Secretary of Education shall issue guidelines on the hiring of teachers that shall be consistent with the RA 8190 and these implementing rules and regulations. Section 5. Protests or procedures for violations of RA 8190. Aggrieved applicants in the registry of the school's division may file a protest. The protest, which shall be prescribed and sworn to in the form of a letter complaint in 3 copies, shall be filed at the regional office within 90 days from the issuance of the appointment. The regional director shall, within 72 hours upon receipt of the protest, require the school's division superintendent to answer the allegations in the protest within 15 days, furnishing the protestant a copy thereof. The regional director's decision may be appealed to the DepEd secretary within 15 days upon receipt thereof. Any appeal on the decision of the secretary shall be filed with the Civil Service Commission. A protest shall not render an appointment ineffective, nor bar the approval thereof by the appointing authority, but the approval shall be subject to the final outcome of the protest. Section 6. Sanctions. Any person found guilty of violating any of the provisions of RA 8190 and these implementing rules and regulations or any part hereof shall be charged administratively pursuant to RA 6713, otherwise known as the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, and other relevant laws, rules, and regulations. Administrative sanctions for any willful violations of RA 8190 and its implementing rules and regulations shall be imposed as follows. First violation, suspension of 1 month without pay. Second violation, suspension of 2 months without pay. And third violation and subsequent violation hereof, suspension of 6 months without pay. Section 7. Separability Clause. Should any provision of this IRR be subsequently declared invalid or unconstitutional, the same shall not affect the validity and effectivity of the other provisions. Section 8. Repelling Cause. Rules, regulations, and issuances which are inconsistent with these rules are hereby repealed, rescinded, or amended accordingly. Section 9. Effectivity. These rules and regulations shall take effect 15 days after its publication in the Official Gazette or in at least one newspaper of the general circulation. So, that's it. The Republic Act number 8190 or the Localization Law. Thank you for listening and good day.